Hello you guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're doing eyebrows and I'm going to show you an updated routine of how I do my eyebrows and just turn those babies right here, which are all natural, to those babies right here that I usually wear every day. So if you're interested in seeing this step-by-step process, keep on watching. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Okay, I think that's better. The first thing I do, let's get the hair out of the way. So the first thing I do, first of all, is just clear up all the, all the surroundings. Just make sure no strays are all around. And I do that by those. So you guys know about them. Like pretty much everybody uses them nowadays. So I just go all around them like this from the top part. Be careful not to chop them off. But then I'm gonna take a little piece of tweezers. I'm gonna take my tweezers. I can't today. I'm gonna take those tweezers and I'm just gonna go and just more precisely just clean the place a little bit more. Alright, first of all, I found those two amazing products. They're from Benefit. It's Precisely My Brow and Goof Proof Brow Pencils. They're a little bit pricey, but they will stay there and they have such a long range. So I found my actual color for my eyebrows. They're not looking red now, they're not looking gray, they're looking pretty much as my roots. So those are the products I'm going to use, but now first I'm going to use the wrong side. I always mess up the sides. I'm going to use their little, what is the thing called? Little brush. I'm going to use that and just make sure everything is straight up and anything that is just, like, there we go. And the same will do like combing them down as so. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I want to see how uneven my eyebrows are, but at least when you just brush them to the same direction, they look better. But yeah, you pretty much like. So after all the trimming and tweezing and the shading is done, you're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna go under your eyebrow shape. We're going for like a clean look here. So I'm taking first the Goof Proof one and I'm going like directly here. As so. I'm going under the arrow, the bow. Arch, under the arch. I'm going under the arch and I'm finishing with the tail like this. So here you have like the main part that your eyebrow will cover. And now you want to go on top from the middle of the brow and just work your way towards the arch. And here's where you could play and make it as thick as you want. At first I thought that this thick one is not gonna help me, but it actually is so great. And there we go. Once we get closer to the, like, the middle part. What is it called even? Like, the base of your eyebrow. We're going with the small one. This is also say 4.5. We're going with the thin one and just draw some hairs upwards. To be honest, I would actually have done the whole eyebrow with this pencil, but I choose to be a little bit more detailed around, the base of it. the start of it. So now the real secret here is to follow different directions to fill in your brow, because sometimes you just look at your brows and they feel like they are you know, filled in, but when somebody is looking at you 3D and like from different angles, because somebody might be like taller or shorter than you, or they might be to the side, you have to really work this so that you don't have any like, you know, gaps. So whenever you see that there are a little bit of gaps that you don't want to be there, you just go like this. Anything that you want to clean up, now's the time to do it. And I kind of go like tougher and lighter with a lighter hand so that I play with the shadows. So this is pretty much like how one of the brows look. Fancy. And then what I do to secure all of that is take like any heavy duty hairstyling product. This is from L'Oreal. It's called Madame Messy. I wouldn't recommend that, but this is what I had in hand, and I don't usually use hair products like this. So I'm gonna take such a tiny little bit on my finger. I'm gonna take the brush from one of the pencils. Let's say this one, which is a little bit thicker, I think, than the other. Yo, they're identical. So I'm gonna take one of them and just you know, like put the product into the brush and just brush my eyebrows. Yeah, brush my eyebrows upwards. It won't hold them, like it's not like super heavy duty, or if you find something that will hold them like upwards, that's good for you. Tell me which product it is. But generally, if you just, you know, like brush them upwards, even if it's not gonna hold them directly like you had brow lamination, it's gonna give that 3D look over here when you try to draw the hairs, and it's gonna be like cleaner and more three-dimensional. So you listen to me and do that once or twice and see if it makes any difference for you. What else? Now, what you want to do under the eyebrows, if you're a little bit sloppy and you just, you know, like drew all around your eyebrow, sometimes it happens, you know, like we're human. You can take like a little bit of concealer. I use
2 hours later.
So yes, if you want to make everything like super clean, you'll take some concealer, whatever works for you, for your color, for your complexion. And I'm using Camouflage by Essence. This is one of my all-time favorites. I switched to different ones, but I came back to this because it's like doggos are doggos and need to drink water. Mommy's I love you, baby. It's okay. Okay, let's go back. So I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna dot it as so. Especially on the arch. You don't want too much product there. You don't want it to look too fake, right? You want to like pretend that this is how your brows grow. Because this is how nice life is. Anyways, so I'll take an angled brush. This is one of the ones I'm using. Like literally any angled brush will work. And I'm just gonna work my way up like this. Because I really don't want that super clean effect that everybody on Instagram just has, you know, like it looks so fake. I want something that I can wear every day and be like more wearable, you know, it won't look like a mask. Oh boy. So I'm just literally cleaning everything that pops off of my imaginary line. And pretty much this is how it is. So with what is left, I'm going to go over it only with what is left. I really don't want any more product here. So yeah. Alright, so let's do the other one matching this one. This is the day after. I feel like I missed all those years just having thin eyebrows, and literally all they do is just point all the attention to your eyes. Even with no mascara, you feel like you have this, like, you know, like inner empowerment, that you have a strong look and everything. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, because I really enjoyed sharing my tips, and I hope you can just click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you like content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Lots of love. Mwah! I will see you soon.